Welcome to all of you in the class of data analytics. In this particular unit, we will discuss about data manipulation using Microsoft Excel. The particular agenda or objective of this session is filtering and sorting operation in the Excel. After this class, you will able to learn how to filter and how to sort the data in the Microsoft Excel. Successfully completion of the class, you able to do this operation using Microsoft Excel. So first operation is filtering. So what is data filtering? Filtering of data is referred to displaying only the set of the data which meet certain conditions. Suppose you have a large set of the data. From there, you have to select some data, and that selection of the data is depend on certain conditions. This kind of things is called filtering. On the other hand, which of the data is not meet the conditions, that data will be hide. So we perform this operation using MS Excel. So the things will be much more clear from the example. How to we are taking this particular example which is shown into the top of the slide. So here I am considering the name. I have taken some 6 different entity and marks and school type. So this is some kind of result of some student which may be in studying in the private school or government school. From here I will filter out the student who are studying in the private school. So for doing these things, first you have to go to the data tab into the Excel, and then you have to select the sort and filter group and click the filter option as shown into the below picture. So here you will find out that whenever you click to the filter options, there will be two options will be came. One is government, another is private. Here I am tick on the private. So the student who have belonged to the private school, that will be appear as shown into the figure. So in this way you can perform the filter operations. So performing the filter operations, first you have to go to the data tab. There is the options sort and filter. You have to click the filter operations. After that, which things you want to filter, you can tick on that, then filtering things will be came. So here as the picture is illustrated, the operation is performed in that way. So first you have to select the school type column. So all the data of the school type column will be selected. Then you apply for the filter operations. Then you will find out two different category. One is government, another is private. You have to choose the private. Then the student who are belong to the private school is appeared. Then we going to perform the sorting operations. Sorting is a process of arranging data either ascending order or descending order. So for doing these things, first you have to select the column in the data set. Here we have performed the sorting operation on the basis of marks. So you have to select all the data into the marks column. Then you have to click to the sort and filter operations, which you can be find from the data tab of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, then you have to click sort smallest to largest. So this example is showing how to the sort one column. So here as it is shown that we have choose the sort and filter tab. Then you have to choose the sort smallest from largest. So we can perform two different types of sort. One is smallest from largest, another is largest from the smallest. In this particular example we are performing smallest to largest on the basis of the marks. So initially you have to choose the marks column. So all the data of the marks column will be selected as shown into the figure. After that you have to click on the sort and filter options as shown into the figure. Then you have to choose the sort smallest to largest. After clicking on that, the particular result is shown will be came. So as per this particular data set, the marks 42 is the smallest, that will appear in the first. Then 48 will be next smallest, that will appear in the second positions. So you see in the figure all the data is sorted in a smallest to largest, that is ascending order. Then so that previous example on the was the sort on the single column. Then we are going to some more complex kind of example. So here we are going to do sort on multiple columns. So here you have to, on the data tab in the sort and filter group, you have to click the sort. Then sort dialog box will be appeared. Actually here you have to select the custom sort. Okay. Then select the in this particular example you see in the right side on the table. So it's having last name, sales and country, quarter. So 4 column are there. Here in the custom sort in the panel you have find out that first we have choose last name. So here in this figure first you have choose last name. Then you have to add another level. So you have to click on the add level options. So select sales, from then drop down list will become. Here we have choose the sale. So the things is that it will sort on the basis of 2 columns. First it will sort on the basis of last name, and then it will going to sort on the basis of sales. So it is a custom sort. So how to perform these things? First you have to select the in this sorting, then there was one option will become custom sort. You have to select the custom sort, then this type of box will be appeared. Here you have to choose the first here this particular example we have choose the last name. Okay, then you can add more columns also. So we have click on the add level. In the second level we have to choose the sales. So the things will be sorted on the basis of last column and the sales as shown into the figure. Then another kind of custom sort we are doing. This is the same things. Okay, the example is given for you to betterment of understanding. So here you see the particular example having 3 columns. One is name, marks and school type. Okay, in the name actually. So here in the marks we have added some yellow columns. Okay, now we are going to we are going to sort the things that yellow columns things will be appears one side, and non-yellow columns will be appears another side. So we have to select the custom sort. Then here we have select the marks. It will be sorted according to the marks, and which order it will be sort. It will be sorted to the yellow column order. So the yellow column things will be came first, then blank columns will be appeared. So in this way also you can perform a custom sort. So you see that in this particular custom sort we are not performing in the ascending or descending order. Instead of that we are performing the sorting of a property of the property of the things. Then suppose another example we are giving, we have to perform the sort for a particular example on the basis of priority, high, normal and low. So you have to choose the priority column first, then you have to go for the data tab and you have to select the sort and filter and click on the sort. So you have to select the sorting operations from the data tab. Then here the custom sort will be appeared. Select the priority from the sort by drop down list. Select the custom list order by drop down list. Okay, so as shown in the figure, then type the list entities, click on the OK. So it will be sorted onto the priority basis. The same things, same example we have shown. So it will be first priority, it will be sorted. The high priority things will be appeared first, then normal priority things will be appeared. In this way it will be sorted. So in this example we are also performing custom sort. So initially we have performed column sort for a single column, then we perform sort for multiple columns and custom sorts. Okay, so this is the basically sorting operations we can perform in the Excel. So for further study, the references is taken from here as shown into the slide. Okay. So I think you able to understand. Now you take these particular examples and perform in your Excel. Then you will be able to know how to performing these operations. So if you having some questions, then you can reach to me in my mail ID, that is soumalo.bose@galgotiaedu.in. So thank you all of you to listening the lecture.